What are your rivals doing right that you're missing completely? You might be tweaking your ads, cutting your prices, or launching new products. But what if your competitors already figured out a smarter way to win the same customers? That blind spot could be costing you sales, brand loyalty, and serious growth. So, what is competitor analysis? It's the process of studying your business rivals to understand what they're doing well, where they're weak, and how your business can stand out or win in the market. It's not about copying. It's about learning from their successes, their mistakes, and their blind spots. Think of your business like a professional soccer match. Before the match, top coaches don't just train their players harder. They study their opponents, their strengths, their weaknesses, their favorite plays. That's exactly what competitor analysis does for your business. Let's bring a real-world success story. Toyota in the 1970s. At the time, American auto companies dominated the market with big, gas-guzzling cars. But Toyota saw something the others missed. A global oil crisis was changing what people wanted. So instead of following, Toyota pivoted. They focused on fuel-efficient, reliable, and affordable cars. They studied competitors, adopted lean production, and quietly entered the U.S. market. The result? Toyota didn't just compete. They overtook, all thanks to smart, data-driven competitor analysis. So, how do you use competitor analysis in a simple, practical way? Step 1. Identify your key competitors. Who are your customers comparing you to, directly or indirectly? Step 2. Collect focused information. What are they offering? How do they price it? What are people saying in reviews and on social media? Step 3. Spot gaps and patterns. What are they doing well? Where are they falling short? Where do customers feel disappointed? Step 4. Apply the insights. Use what you've learned to adjust your own product, messaging, or service, and stand out in the areas your competitors miss. Step 5. Monitor and adjust. Set up alerts. Track them regularly. Competitor analysis isn't a one-time task. It's a habit that keeps you ahead. I've prepared a free Ultimate Market Research Guide, step-by-step roadmap you can follow to do your own market research like a pro. Download the PDF, links in the description. Traditional market research is powerful, but often slow, expensive, and limited. This is where AI makes a real difference. AI-powered tools can analyze customer sentiment in real time, forecast market trends using live data, monitor competitor moves instantly, generate professional reports at the click of a button, and send real-time alerts when the market shifts. It's like putting your market research on autopilot, faster, smarter, and always up to date. Let's talk about the bottom line. Is competitor analysis worth it? Absolutely. It's one of the lowest cost, highest return strategies you can use. By studying your rivals, you avoid expensive mistakes, improve customer experience, and make better decisions across your business. Be careful. Competitor analysis comes with traps. Here are a few common pitfalls to avoid. Only tracking big players. Don't ignore fast-growing startups. Copying instead of learning. Adapt insights to your own strengths. Doing it once and forgetting. Make it a routine. Focusing only on price, value, experience, and trust matter more. Ignoring indirect competitors. Alternatives can steal your market too. Avoid these, and you'll extract real value from your analysis. Here's a powerful reminder from marketing legend Philip Kotler. The best way to beat your competitors is to learn from them, not just to follow them. Let that guide your mindset. Learn from your competition, but always lead with your unique edge. Here are some quick wins competitor analysis can give you right away. Uncover what your customers want that your competitors miss. Improve your product or pricing with real-world proof. Sharpen your messaging to highlight your edge. Launch campaigns that outperform because they're smarter, not louder. Make decisions that are proactive, not reactive. Now you know the power of market research. With Deepbeez, you don't just research. You get answers instantly. Stop guessing. Start growing.